Chicken wings. We all love a really good chicken wing. But what makes a great chicken wing? Well, here at the Sci Guy Cooks, we believe we have a great recipe for you with Huli Huli Chicken Wings. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Now that the marinade is done, let's prepare the chicken wings. Marinate the chicken wings for 60 minutes. It is believed that chickens were domesticated over 1,000 years ago in Southeast Asia. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's make the Huli Huli sauce. Set your timer for 8 minutes. Only 8 minutes in the oven this time. Huli Huli chicken has its roots in the Hawaiian barbecue culture. It was created by Ernest Morgado, a Hawaiian businessman and World War II veteran, in 1955. Today, Huli Huli chicken is enjoyed globally, bringing the spirit of Hawaiian barbecue to tables everywhere. Those look great right out of the oven. Let's get a few of them on a plate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these chicken wings are really delicious. They have an incredible blend of sweetness and savory notes. The contrasting flavors in the marinade and sauce balance each other perfectly. please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one great chicken wing. Stay with us, watch the next video.